Welcome back to the channel. Today it's exhaust time. So this Torana here is too loud. Need to quieten it down a bit. So I've gone and bought some bits and pieces. The power of online shopping. And so here's what we've got. Got a couple of mufflers in here. A few tailpipes, some section. This is all 2.5 inch mandrel bend stuff. So the problem that we're going to have is this car's fitted with a 9-inch diff and a drop tank, and there's only a very small gap in there between the rear tyres and the tank and the suspension and the diff and all that. To get it through, you can probably see the old exhaust sitting under there, but that's all got to come out. It's too noisy, and need to quieten this thing down a bit and make up an exhaust for it. So that's what the plan of attack's going to be here. So let's see how we get on. So I've got the car jacked up. This is a better look at what we're dealing with. The each tailpipe needs to run along here on the outside of the fuel tank, and then go in between here, the tyre and the fuel tank, and then they run along here and up over the diff. The diff's all the way dropped at the moment. You can see I've got the wheels off the ground and the loads off the axle, so they're just hanging down. And then the tailpipes need to go over the 9-inch there, and then come out in this spot just here where it'll connect up to the dual pipes. At the moment, you can see that's the exhaust I've got on there now. That's only just been on there to get the car running after the engine was put in and all that, and it was just something I cobbled together out of bits and pieces I had lying around the shed. So what the game plan here is, I've had a quick look at it, and I've tried to get the tailpipe up into this gap here, and there's no way it's going to go as is. So I'm going to drop the diff down. I'll pull the top arms off it and drop the diff down and put both tailpipes in first, and then I'll put the diff back up into position. And while I've got the diff down, I'll change out the rear gearbox seal. I don't know how good your eyes are, but it leaks out of the back of the top loader, so I'll get that changed out while I've got the tail shaft out. So here we go. Building hot rods isn't all glamour. Not always, anyway. So I got the exhaust made up from the headers. Got this couple of pieces of pipe in here, 2.5 inch, straight through, all the way through to this this muffler here. Muffler's in position, and now I'm just going to tack it in place, and then we'll give it a full weld up on the bench where we can get a better crack at it. Here we go. Well, I've just mocked up the second side, so the first side's complete all the way through to the muffler. Just need to make a tailpipe for the passenger side. Now I'm on the driver's side. I've just mocked up the first piece, which is made up there to the collector, and just going to weld it in or tack it in place. Alright, so some pretty crappy welds there, but that's going to hold fine for now. Onto the next bit, we just need to come back here where that primary pipe comes out, and then going to get a muffler up into this space here. And I need to make a little intermediate section and get the muffler in up there. So that's the muffler in place here. I've got it sitting on this carton block of wood. I'm by no means an expert, but whenever I do this, what I do is I get the muffler sitting in the position I want to have it. Preferably the car would be on a hoist. I wouldn't be lying on the ground here in the middle of winter in Victoria, but it is what it is. So yeah. So anyway, back to the story. I've got the muffler sitting on a block of wood here on this trolley. I like to get it in position. You can see the pipe that I've just tacked in at the front where it comes here, and this is the front of the muffler. So now we just need to make up a piece to go from here to the muffler, because I've got the muffler lined up nicely with where the other muffler's sitting. And sometimes I'm not very particular, but it's nice when your mufflers line up. So I'll get a piece. I'll get this measured up here, and I'll go and cut a piece to size, and then and tack it in. This is the piece I've made up, which is going to go between here and this muffler. So I'll slide it into the muffler. And that there's how it's going to sit. So I'll get it all in position, tack it in. Okay, so that's both front halves of the exhaust dummied up and tacked in place. So there's the two mufflers there, and then there's the two pipes that go down to the collectors on the extractors, and they're all it's all tacked in. Just needs to be pulled off for final welding, and then I need to make up some tailpipes. Obviously, I don't think I explained earlier, but I can't go over the diff. They're just not going to fit. There's just nowhere near enough room up there, and then along the side of the drop tank here. So they're going to go. There'll be two pipes that go underneath the diff and out the back. Quick shout out to my mate Ed for helping me mock up the tailpipes when I was trying to get him over the diff, and he helped me get through that disaster. Oh yeah, grade 8 hardware on the jack stand over there, Ed. Cheers. In order to stop this thing sounding like a thong slapper, I'm going to need to put a H pipe in, because I haven't got an X pipe, so I'm going to have to connect these two pipes in around about this spot here, so I can clear the bottom of the 4-speed there and not foul with the linkages. So it's time to make up a piece that goes in there. And here's the finished product. So you can see it's notched there, 2.5 inch pipe, and here's another piece of pipe that'll go to. And look, it's not perfect, but we can easily weld that up. So now I'm going to grab this piece here and fit it up into the car. Then we're going to drill holes and weld it in. So I've installed the H pipe. It needs to get tacked in, and then when I pull the whole system off to bench weld it, I'll weld it all in proper then. But yeah, it's not too bad. The fit up's pretty good, considering it was done with pretty basic tools. So just installing the tailpipe. The other centre section's already in. So finished product. It's twin 2.5 inch mild steel, muffler each side and a H pipe up the front.